How to integrate SafePal wallet with hardware wallet. Are you facing issues to integrate SafePal with hardware wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To integrate your SafePal wallet with a hardware wallet, first power on your SafePal S1 hardware wallet. Then tap open the SafePal on your phone and tap hardware wallet on the home screen. Choose Add Wallet and the app will prompt you to scan your QR code shown on your hardware wallet. Use your mobile camera to scan that QR code. After pairing, your hardware wallet will be linked to the app securely. You will now see your balances and can sign transactions using hardware wallet by scanning transactions QR code and back and forth between your phone and device. These setups give you full control and offline protection. Your private keys never touch your phone. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna integrate SafePal with hardware wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.